But today is my birthday. Oh, of course I know. Then where's my gift? Have you ever heard of Mr. Redface? On the birthday of good children, Mr. Redface secretly leaves gifts while they are asleep. Really? Of course. If you want to get your gift, you have to go to bed right away. I'm going to bed right away, Mom. Ooh, my father like that. You're fooling the kid again. Bro! Ako cute. Pero tignan yung papa ko, panot. I was working my shift, ended late. Oh, wag yan. Layo. You still think I'm an idiot, don't you? Tignan mo mukha mo. Oo. Tignan mo yung kanan, no? O, tignan mo pa yan. Hello, black. Don't stand here. Ano? On grown-up conversation. Okay. Ito. Sexy naman ang legs ni tatay. Tatay, pangit ng mata mo. Si nanay, mukhang tsakadal. Akong cute ko, bakit silang papangit? Ay, ito lang pala ang mapangit. Tignan nyo yan, oh. Mukhang nagiinom yan, oh. Tignan nyo pa yung ilong, guys. Kita niyo yung ilong na yan. Tignan nyo lang si Ma. Okay, parang tsakadal nga yung mukha. Hindi napikat sila. Okay, hindi sila napikat. Goods kaya yan? Ano to? Diba? Dito kami nakain. Nabarong ko dito. Pababa ito. Baka may kapatid ako eh. Radio. Ba't ako nag-radio? Ay, hindi ko to yata din. Ito kaya. Hindi rin. Open. Uy, bakit ako may toilet paper? Boring naman, tutulog agad. Ay, baka pa yung steps. Sino si tatay o si Redface? Mr. Redface. Uy! Sino eh?
Ginamit mo na ba yun?
Hindi.
Ginamit mo yan? Ano pa lang? Kulay mo na ng kulay-kulay ka?
Ha? Red lang.
Ay?
Ereso. Takot. Uy! Ganun maglakad. Uy! Ang gulat. Uy, ano itong dark? Stop the deep promise the Redface. No way! Lo. Hi, man. Nala! What, you can talk? Of course, because I was made by magic. You even see my parents. Just for me. But your neck seems a bit loose. It's okay, sometimes my master makes mistakes. This is just a small flaw. compared to the others. Best friend. Oh, sige. That sounds wonderful. Do you want to play some with me? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. As.
Bili ko muna ng kape. Tsaka,
Do you want to? I'm hungry. You're a dog. Can you even eat? No, you'll be the one eating. But I'll be able to feel everything you eat. I master blah blah blah. Oh, that's amazing. Nandito kaya si tatay. Tatay, gising. Itong letter. You're reading this letter at 1 p.m. Aren't you, sleepyhead? Aren't you? Sleepyhead? I've prepared your favorite dish in the fridge, so remember to heat it up before eating. Lately, I've noticed you've been getting lazy about eating. You know I don't have much time at home, so please learn to take care of yourself and stop making me worry. One more thing, don't forget to take your medicine after eating, Mom. Okay. Ay! Uy! Buksan mo automatically ah. Saan ko ito i-heat? Sa oven? Ay, dito yata. Ano ko ito nabuksan? Hindi ko ito pwede buksan. Hoy, ay, uy, paano nag-teleport sa kamay ko? Gamot ko ba to? Napaperform ng magic. Ano, Ron, ha? Hindi ko abot yan, Ron. Ron, ano na? Uy. Ang gagawin ko dito? Kaya ito upuan ba? Hindi. Uy, hindi ako makakain. Ron, loko-loko, tapos na ako. Ay. Ron. Yan, guys. Yes, sir?
sweetie pie. Ayun, may sweetie pie.
Yes, I am. Ron! Wait lang, guys. Home muna tayo. Okay, ulitin natin to, guys. Okay, guys. We are back here. Sorry na inulit ko kanina. Huwag mo na yung basahin. Basa ko na yan. Okay, open the page. Fridge. Pala, hindi fridge. Uy! Okay. Ron. Do your magic. Kakainin ko na yan. Ron. Pustik. Uulitin ko ba na naman? Ay, wag na. Ito. Uy, ayun. Every time you finish eating, the dish will restore its original state. Pasta ba yan? O hindi. Wow, that's amazing. What else can you do? Iglesias. Uy, iniinom mo. Bakit mo sinira? What just happened? I don't know. You guess. No. I hope he's your dad. Don't worry, my master has taken your dad away. What did you say? Daddy! Home alone. Uy. Uy, ba't ka nandito? Sino to? Ay, kala ko si tatay. Where's my dad? As I said, my master has taken your dad away. Why? Because your dad is a bad person. He often hits and yells at you. Parents like that are taken away by my master to protect children like you. But this is too much. My dad doesn't deserve it. He's a bad person. No, he's not. Please let my dad go. I'm begging you. Alright. But my master won't like this. It's a court along to where your dad is being held. Blah, blah, blah. Show me yung way. Shortcut through your closet. Alright. Okay, skip natin mamaya yung mga sasabihin niya maya. Kaya, be patient. Uy! Nagulat ko. Okay. Diba ka pa rin dyan? Teleport ka dun, oh. Tatakog ko yun. Uy! Yan yung skinip natin, guys. Uy! Nothing here. Alright, guys, may hint ako sa inyo. Ito yung ginamit ng tatay. Yan. Ay, spoiler alert. Huwag na. Ay, nakukutarap ko. Uy! Tsaka dal. Ano ba si nanay? Yun ba yun? I think this is the one. Ahead. Outside. Uy, grabe ka. Ka dito. Ano ka, magiging tao tapos ako magiging dal. Grabe. Okay. Uy, wolf ba to? Pusa. What's up? Looking for my dad. Describe my dad's name is Bruce Lee. Wait a moment. There are many Bruce here, and in this booth. Is Bruce a good Bruce or a bad Bruce? Loving Bruce. Oh my God. It's a bad Bruce. Let me see. Still many Bruces. He often yells. Sometimes he hits me and stops me to end. That's all. The door is behind you. Okay. Ito kaya ako dumaan? Uy. Teleport pa. Uy. Boo! Hahaha. He just got started. Who are you guys? Ayan. Ba't kami sipon katulad ko. Okay, see you later. Ibat ka pa rin na ka dyan. Ibat ka yan dyan. Ikaw, bat ka dyan. Nandyan sa... Diyan sa taas sa oven.
Magkano yung ano? Sa tanghot.
Itatay.
Hindi ka pa nakdalawa.
Okay guys, sorry kanina. Dad, please stop punishing me. Grabe. It's me, Dad. Please stop punishing me. What has he done to you? Come on, let's go home. Or Mr. Redface will take us, both of us. Please stop punishing me. Grabe. Ano ito? Sa ulo ko. Hey, what's wrong with you? Why are you hiding in the closet? Mr. Redface has taken Dad. Oh. Well, that's a good thing. It's a long story. Let me explain. How I'm doing today. Is it alright? The dog? Mom, how did you know about it? Well, of course. I know since you haven't taken your medicine, huh?
Hindi ka narinig eh. Dito sa settings. Ayusin.
Such hallucinations. Every time you tell a different story. But the common factor is always that stupid one. But remember the previous times now? I don't
Kuya. Ay,
know
wala na yung laman. Ba't
what
umiiyak?
is wrong with you. Just go to bed at this. It's midnight already.
Hira mo yata ito.
Hindi, naupon ko yan.
Napuan mo? Yan, napipi.
Naipit. Uy! Ow! Uy! Ah!
That's scary.
Uy! Si Mother. What just happened, son? Are you okay? Are you alright? Do you feel better? Yeah, Mom. It's Mr. Redford. It's alright. Tomorrow I'll take off to stay home and take care of you. Really? Promise me, Mom. I promise. Now go back to sleep. Okay, Mom. Me. 3, 2, 1. Gising na ako. Uy, Mom? You've broken the promise again. Promises again. Gising. Uy. Nangyari dito. Uy, Ron. Ron, what happened? Open. On. La mami. Ah! Tingnan niyo yan, oh, ginawa. My mother beat the shit out of me. He was not happy about this. I'm sorry. It's my fault. By the way, have you seen my mom anywhere? My master has taken her away. What? It just happened. I'm sorry I couldn't stop him. You should run away because he'll come back soon to take you too. No, I have to see my mom and my dad too. How? Don't you see what he did to me? Look, I found this at my dad's prison. I think it might help us defeat him. That's the spell to defeat Mr. Redface. Come on, quickly. Go to the closet to find where your mom is being held. Okay. Here I go. Pasok! Okay. Diyan yung pusa.
Kakain ka na, bunso?
Yeah. Quickly throw the spell here. Cover! Kasi mga bata. Uy, tago kayo. Sino naglalakad? Uy! Kita nyo yun guys. Ayun. Gusto red face. Uy, pumasok. Ba't lagi blue? Balik na ako guys. Ba't parikid cover? Mamma mia. It's a me, Mario. It's a me, Bruce Lee. Guys, you know what's the mother's name is? It's Robin, a boy's name. Yeah. Uy! What is happening? What's happening to you? My master has been defeated. And the magic he cast on me is also fading. Are you disappearing? Don't worry. This is what I wanted. You should go outside and see your parents. Thank you, Ron. Mother! Father, sino yun? Subscribe, please, pa yun. Ano, takot na ako. Buhok pa yun. Dad, Mom! Eh, paano nag-film ako? Wait lang. Free now. You've been having an affair, haven't you? I told you I was busy with work. Liar! You're safe to lie to your son. You're better than me. One more word. Fine. Uy. Sisira mo yung battle. Uy. Ba't nagiging red yung face mo? Red face? I won't let this happen. What are you doing? Tatay. Namok. Ay, nasa si tatay. Ito po. No, no. This cannot be true. I'm so sorry, Ron. You can open your closet now. Mother. Ay. Ano yun? Ano yun? Gusto ko makita. This is me? Makita. You always known. Because I am the knowing part of you. You've tried to deny and reject these things and made up stories to make yourself better about you and your dad. With me, I have lead you back to the reality. And every time I fail, guess what happens? Tick-tock, boom! All the memories disappear. You once again wake up at the starting point, which is the night that your dad murdered you. How long are you dead? 14 days. Blah, 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 blah. Kaya pala yung nakita ko sa doon nung pumasok ko sa closet. Kaya pala. Okay. Let's go to boys. Uy. Go home with me, Dad. Nakatakot ka na ba, Rod? Tiga ba ulo mo? Ito tayo. Ba't puro black? What about Mom? She is still seeing me. That's right, because she's only home late at night. But if it's daytime, guys, alam nyo kung bakit 14 times binuksan na nana yung pinto? Dahil ayun yung 4 days na nahanap na nana yung dead body ni Ron. So, pagkadaan. Kawawa. Uy! Sino to? Do you... Meow. Guys! Diba yung spell na yan yata yung motel, yung nakita ni Rod, tapos nung biyato niya nakita yung clue. Kung nasa yung tatay niya. It's a motel car. Wait lang. Tapusin ko lang to, ma'am. Babis lang. Killer father. Guys, ayan yung box na nilagyan ng dali. Tapos ko din. Uy! Hihintay si sila sa'yo ron. Ma, ito, binuried alive o. Tapos, ito naman, na-burn. Ito, nalakbag suffocate. Tapos tayo, nasa... Guys, tapos na. Like and subscribe. Thank you.